Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out some plant self-watering spike system. So these are slow release control valves and everything. So this is a 12 pack. Picked it up from Amazon for about $10.99. And what we have, I believe there's 3 of those. Nice bright colors, 3 of those. So these are the spikes, 3 of those, and 3 of those. So we have 6 orange and 6 green spikes here. All right, also we have, if I can open this, okay, we have a little screwdriver, or not a screwdriver, it's kind of like a little ice pick there. And we have 12 nozzles and 12 little stabilizing legs. So let's just check out how one of these works here, shall we? So this has a tapering end to it, so it should be able to accommodate several different bottles, from a water bottle to maybe a 2-liter bottle. As you can see, as it gets wider there, hopefully it'll hold up right here at the end. I will actually grab a bottle and see if that fits on there. So what do we got here? How's this go? So we have this little spigot here. Okay, and that, I believe, you want to just put that, there's a hole in the side here, and that just attaches in there quite snugly. Okay, and then you're going to be able to adjust your water flow based on this little valve here. So, and then it has this little stand here also. So you can stick this down into the ground, and the stand's going to help it to stabilize instead of just having that in the ground if you want to. But I think this will be quite secure. So it's going to go into the ground probably about 3 inches. So depending on your potting soil or whatever, it's going to be pretty secure. But if you want to, it has that little stand available as well. So let me go grab a bottle here real quick just to see. 1 second. All right, so here we have your standard size for 2 liters down to whatever size this is, 12 ounces. So this is also the neck size on a 2-liter bottle, as I mentioned before. So that's just going to fit right on there. You fill that up with water, and just adjust your little nozzle here to how much water you want to come out, and that way you can go out of town or something and your plants aren't going to be dead when you come back. So kind of a cool idea. I mean, you put a 2-liter bottle of water up there, and of course, so where was I? Okay, yeah. So kind of a handy little thing. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon. 12 for like $11, not a bad deal. And I will be doing a demonstration and review video as well, so when I finish that, I'll leave that link in the description below as well if you guys want to check that out, see how these are working. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Everyone have a fantastic day out there. I appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.